Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. In this video, I'm gonna show how to install VMware Workstation on your PCs step by step. If you wanted to run another operating system like Windows, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, etc. inside your current one, VMware is the best tool for that. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, you have download the setup VMware Workstation through official website vmware.com. I have already downloaded it, so let's start it. Go to your download folder, right click and extract the folder. When extracted this, you will see the VMware setup wizard. Just open it, accept. Click the next option. Now it will ask you to accept the license agreement and next. Then it will ask about the license key. Just enter it, enter and finish. And your VMware Workstation is now installed. Now open VMware. You will see a clean interface. Click create a new virtual machine, select your ISO like Windows 10. Your virtual setup is ready. You can run any operating system right inside your PC without formatting or dual booting. And that's it guys. That's how to install VMware Workstation on your computer easily. If you want how to create a virtual machine inside VMware, so comment it and make sure to hit like button, subscribe to Maddy and turn on the bell icon so don't miss it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.